Meanwhile, politics has erupted over what unfolded in Maharashtra. Two little children who appear to have been sexually assaulted by a staff member. TMC member of parliament is attacking Maharashtra government over the delay in FIR. This is, remember, while the country is outraging over what unfolded in Kolkata and the silence of many TMC leaders earlier. Mahua Moitra has taken a jibe at the non-democratic alliance, as she calls it. Mahua Moitra says RG Kar case had videographed autopsy. In Thane, cops even refused to file FIR for days. So TMC MP immediately coming forth to speak on the Maharashtra case, and this is what Mahua Moitra has said, basically suggesting how, look at the delay that's happening in Maharashtra over the school children assault case, while in Bengal, where the woman was raped and murdered, had been handled at least with a videographed autopsy. Anupam, tell me exactly what did TMC MP Mahua Moitra said over this, and is there a comparison that she's trying to make here and why?
Well, Pooja, Mahua is putting up two issues over here, and she is comparing the incident with Maharashtra and Bengal incident, that RG Kar incident. She's one point is that she's raising question about the police action, and she's comparing it with RG Kar, where she is defending Kolkata police action, what Kolkata police did in RG Kar hospital, whereas Supreme Court has questioned the police action yesterday, we know. And the second thing which Mahua Moitra is raising is the why CBI has not been given to Maharashtra case, whereas non-BJP ruled states are spontaneously given CBI inquiries. So these are the two issues which Mahua Moitra is raising at present in her post.
All right, Anupam, keep tracking the latest on that. So politicians, at least Mahua Moitra TMC, earlier was questioned about why wasn't she speaking over the Kolkata case, has immediately spoken on the Thane case and has said at least there was a videography of the autopsy done in Kolkata, but for Maharashtra, look at the delay in even filing an FIR for the children who were assaulted.